Hi, class of 2020. You're almost done. No one could have predicted the end of your senior year concluding this way. Please know that we are all so proud of you and celebrating your successes from a distance. But before you graduate, there's still a few things left for you to do. So here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to complete your senior checkout. To get started with your senior checkout, go to the Niles North homepage, Students, and then scroll over to the middle column and select Maya Learning. All Niles North students have a Maya Learning account, so long as you are logged into your D219 Gmail account. Once you've confirmed that you are in fact logged in to your D219 Google account, click Sign In with Google. This should bring you to the page with each checklist item for senior checkout. The first item is the senior checkout survey. Read the instructions, click the link above, and complete the form. This should bring you to the senior checkout survey Google form, which you will then complete. And once you complete it, you will click the box Complete to the right. Then you will order your final transcript. This is meant for you to request your final transcript to be sent to the school in which you plan to attend in the fall. Click the link above and log into Parchment. Type the name of the college you will be attending, and then select Hold for Grades. You can X out of those boxes, and you should see this Order button. Click the green order. Type the name of the school you plan to attend. Make sure that you select undergraduate. And now you will select Hold for Grades. This will ensure that your transcript will include your final grades and not be sent right now. Click Save and Continue. And you should be able to continue one more time before you electronically sign your name and hit Save and Continue. This will submit the request, and once again, your transcript will be placed on hold until your final grades are ready. Once you've completed that, you're going to check the complete box to the right. And then the last item on this checkout is to click the post-secondary plans guide to confirm that you are on track for your specific graduation plan. That outlines various graduation plans, and then you can click on the appropriate graduation plan. So if I am going to attend a local college or university and live at home, I can click on four-year commuter, and this will take me to another Google Doc that runs through a checklist of all the things that you might need to complete in order to be ready to attend the school. Keep in mind, these are all universal checklists. These are not specific to any one institution, so we strongly encourage you to still utilize the portal for your individual schools to make sure that you are completing the checklist for the school you plan to attend. And once you've completed that, you will check off the box. And the last optional item is if you are planning to attend a college or university and you received acceptances from other colleges or universities, we strongly advise that you let those other schools know that you do not plan to attend. And a sample email is provided below here. You can just cut and paste into an email and send this off to all the different admissions offices to let them know that you have plans to attend elsewhere. And finally, this last item down here is if you have any advice that you would want to share with underclassmen, things that you wish that you could have done differently, why you finally chose the college or university that you plan to attend, or any other post-secondary plan like the military or a gap year, record a short video of yourself and upload it here to pass on to others. And that's it. That's the senior checkout. Congratulations, class of 2020.